was working with some people in the wealth management sector. They just had this idea for a product. I said, let me take what you want to do, work with this tool for an afternoon. I didn't know it would only take an afternoon at the time, but and I guess I used the afternoon to build a product, and then I probably tweaked it over the weekend before Monday, saying, "Ta-da! Here's the thing," and I was genuinely blown away by the capability. Now again, to come back to an earlier answer I gave about, I would never go and say, I've developed a product, let's go ship it or sell it. But I got it, it had dummy data in it, it had complete workflows, it had a nice looking dashboard, everything just through me prompt engineering. What I really need in my head is like, think of a great product I could build using some of these tools, because it's absolutely amazing what it's doing, and it's only going to get better. But I think particularly for product people who maybe have an idea, they don't want to waste the engineer's time on it, but they want to mock up a prototype and say, look, what do you think of this? Does this work? Or show it to non-technical people and say, is this something that would work for you? I think it's a potential game changer in terms of speeding up that iteration cycle. Showing something real rather than just talking about it on a whiteboard or a Figma demonstration or something.